Today we're going to make breakfast for dinner, or whenever you're making these. These are pancakes. I love pancakes. Apparently not everyone does. We're gonna make raspberry pineapple flavored, cause why not? We got some flour. We have flaxseed, which we're gonna use with liquid to make like an egg substance. We have our almond milk and apple cider vinegar. This is gonna be our like buttermilk. Then we have salt, of course, sugar. I prefer brown sugar, but that's just me. We have baking powder, raspberries, and pineapple juice. We're gonna do it. Alright, let's do some dry ingredients. I like to mix my dry first. Actually, it doesn't really matter, but I just like to do dry and wet separately. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna do wet first. We're gonna blend flaxseed again. Love blending stuff. Okay, so we're gonna do like a tablespoon of flaxseed. Okay, cool. We're gonna add pineapple juice to the flaxseed because I want some flavor and I don't want to dilute it with water. So add like 2 tablespoons. Sure. Wow, it smells like pineapple. I'm probably gonna add more of that. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute so we can like chuck up more flax. Okay, so we're gonna do a cup of flour. Real measuring this time. Now I understand why people use the scoops. Oh, that's like a cup. What am I doing? This bowl's too small. Alright, so that's the sugar. Like a tablespoon, you know, heaping. Because that's how I like it. Heaping. No one wants a single tablespoon of sugar. Who's saying that? Okay, we're going to take a tablespoon of baking powder. We're going to take it. Yeah, we're going to put it in. Words. That seems like too much. Yeah, that seems better. Cool. Make sure you try to get as much surface covered as possible with other food. Alright, let's get like half a tablespoon of salt. You should use a bigger bowl. This is a mistake. Mistakes! 3/4 cup of almond milk. You don't have to use vanilla. Oh wait, this isn't vanilla. Well, you can use vanilla if you want. That was too much. What up? Apple cider. You're gonna want like a tablespoon. You're gonna mix that too. Let's combine our liquids. Mix, 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 mix. Let's add the dry stuff. Yeah, this is hard to do. Hand-eye coordination failing, oh god. Yep. Just add it, doesn't matter. Should I heat these up? I'm gonna muddle them. Why not? Oh no. Look at what you're doing. Alright, I'm just adding it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, now I'm just gonna mush them a little bit. Mush, 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 mush. We're Work on your mushing skills. You never know when you're gonna need to mush things. Mush, mush, mush. Oh my god. So get some oil. So when your hand's like this far away and you feel of some heat, that's when you know it's ready. And if it doesn't come out in a circle shape, you can just like pat it into one. This looks good. See, that smells like cake batter. And this one's gonna have coconut. Well, that one's pretty good. I'm pretty proud of this heart. Right here. Right her, right her. Damn! Pancake artist, yo. Who says that? Look at all those bubbles. Look, see. Ready! Boom, boom, boom! No, that's weird. Pro tip right here. Move your pancakes out of the way so you can flip. More confidence. 2 thumbs up. I want them a little more crispy. I like a crispy pancake. Awkward. Look at that! That's a heart! This reminds me of like a strawberry cake, you know? One time I made the little strawberry cake from like a box, you know what I mean? It was like, I made just like a triple stack thing, put chocolate frosting on it, and then I ate the whole thing. Mush, 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 mush. Gotta use those mushing skills we practiced earlier. Those chefs do it. Just like splatter it, just like boom, boom, boom. Just a little drizzle. Yeah. Alright. I think this needs 100% more pineapple. I have flaxseed in my arm. Judge me. What? Meow, meow, meow.